So machine learning, again, is being able to solve harder problems by making computers smarter. It's not just code anymore. It's code plus experience, right? One of my coworkers basically says it's using data to answer questions. So how do you do machine learning again? Well, you have to collect the data, you have to build and train your model, then you have to validate it, then you can use your model in the inference phase to make predictions on new data. Do you have to have a lot of experience? No. You can use our pre-trained models uh, that back our APIs. Do you still need to have a lot of machine learning expertise to do training? Not if you use AutoML. And then once you're ready, build your experience in ML, get familiar with it, and then build your experience, and then you'll be ready to use, PyTorch or TensorFlow or things like that. All right, so some resources. So if you want to learn more about coding G Suite APIs, there's the home page for all the G Suite APIs. Here's all of our GitHub repos, and here are some videos. Then similarly for GCP, here's the machine learning building block APIs. Here's the GitHub for all of our code samples, and then here's the YouTube channel for all of our cloud platform videos. Your next steps are to start playing with the APIs. Once you're ready and you want to try and do training, start playing around with AutoML to kind of train your own data, and then get some hands doing machine learning code labs, and then you can kind of explore, do Kaggle and Colab to start doing TensorFlow and PyTorch and things like that. And other Google APIs you may want to consider, I already mentioned Firebase. We also have Google Data Studio, so that if you have lots of data but you want to build a beautiful dashboard, Data Studio is our free tool, our free dashboard building tool. So it's pretty cool. If you want to build a voice-driven app, you can do Actions on Google. That's where you build it using Dialogflow, and Actions on Google for apps that run on the Assistant, which run on a Google Home or Home Mini or Nest devices. YouTube has APIs, Maps has APIs. If you want to build mobile apps that run on iOS and Android in a native way, as well as the web, but you only want to write it one time, that's what Flutter is for. And then last thing, if you like comics, and if you or your students, since I'm talking to faculty, if you want to learn more about machine learning, but in a comic book format, just go to cloud.google.com/products AI ML comic -1 and -2. So there's 2 comics. So that's what this is. It just means -1 and -2. And then that is it.